As a small business, are you maximizing the free AI tools that are already out there and available so that you can be more effective in running your business and marketing your business? Hello, this is Martin Brossman along with Dr. Justin Rose, and we wrote the book on using AI for small business. We offer a two-part class. One is a lunch and learn, generally coordinated with a chamber, where we go over the high level and introduction to AI for small business, because the opportunity to use this and have it free is now. If you wait long enough, you'll miss that opportunity. Just like with social media, when it began, it was much more free. Now it's more of a pay-to-play platform. We're going to show you tools with real-world demonstrations that speak to small businesses. Then the evening class is a longer, deeper dive going into prompt engineering, which means how do you write the phrases and how do you save them that get the results you want, from brainstorming to generating copy to handling customer complaints to being able to create marketing copy, to be able to describe yourself and your business better than you can, and how to use some of the graphic tools that will give you free, royalty-free graphics using them properly. These are fantastic programs. Make sure to sign up for both of them. Remember, the Lunch and Learn is the high level with a little sample showing you some real stuff. The evening is a deep dive. We work with you in the class real time to solve some of your problems and show you how you can do it. So you can go back with simple internet access and a smartphone and use these tools. It's not just ChatGPT. There are many, many other tools out there, and we're going to show you the top ones that we think are safe to use and best for a small business. Look forward to seeing you there. Make sure to register and hold your spot. And on behalf of myself and Dr. Justin Rose, have a fantastic day. We're excited to hear about your profound success using AI appropriately today to be more effective, get more results in your small business.